If your home in Richland Hills feels too hot in the summer, chilly in the winter, or your energy bills seem higher than they should be, your windows may be part of the problem. Older or inefficient windows allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to creep in, forcing your HVAC system to work overtime. That's why window replacement in Richland Hills is one of the most effective upgrades homeowners can make to improve energy efficiency and overall comfort. Why old windows drain energy? Many homes in Richland Hills still have original or aging windows that weren't designed with modern energy standards in mind. Over time, window seals can fail, frames can warp, and glass can lose its insulating ability. Even small gaps or cracks allow air leaks that significantly impact indoor temperatures. Single-pane windows and older double-pane models often lack protective coatings and proper insulation. As a result, heat transfers easily through the glass, making your home hotter during Texas summers and colder during winter months. This constant temperature imbalance drives up heating and cooling costs year-round. Modern replacement windows make a difference. New replacement windows are engineered to reduce energy loss and maintain stable indoor temperatures. Today's windows use advanced technologies that help your home stay comfortable without excessive energy use. Features like double or triple pane glass, insulated frames, and low emissivity, low-E, coatings reflect heat rather than absorbing it. During hot Richland Hills summers, low-E glass blocks solar heat while still allowing natural light inside. In cooler months, it helps retain indoor warmth, reducing strain on your heating system. Properly sealed replacement windows also eliminate drafts and air leaks, which means your HVAC system doesn't have to constantly compensate for temperature changes. Lower energy bills and greater comfort. One of the most noticeable benefits of window replacement in Richland Hills is reduced energy bills. By keeping conditioned air inside your home where it belongs, new windows help your heating and cooling systems operate more efficiently. Over time, those monthly savings can add up significantly. Beyond cost savings, replacement windows create a more consistent indoor environment. Rooms that were once too warm or too cold become more comfortable, and temperature differences between rooms are minimized. You'll also notice fewer drafts and cold spots near windows. Protection from outdoor heat and noise. Energy-efficient windows don't just manage temperature, they also improve overall living comfort. Advanced glass technology helps block harmful UV rays that can fade furniture, flooring, and curtains. At the same time, insulated window designs reduce outdoor noise, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor space. This is especially valuable in Richland Hills neighborhoods near busy roads or active community areas, where noise reduction can make a noticeable difference. Long-term value for your home. Replacing your windows is an investment that benefits your home for years to come. Energy-efficient windows reduce wear and tear on your HVAC system, potentially extending its lifespan. They also enhance curb appeal and increase resale value, making your home more attractive to future buyers. Many homeowners appreciate the added benefit of modern window designs, easy maintenance, and improved security features that come with newer models. A smart upgrade for Richland Hills homes. Window replacement in Richland Hills is more than just a cosmetic upgrade. It's a practical solution for improving energy efficiency, comfort, and long-term savings. If your windows are outdated or underperforming, upgrading to energy-efficient replacements can transform how your home feels and functions year-round. With the right windows in place, you'll enjoy a more comfortable home, lower energy bills, and greater peace of mind knowing your home is built to handle the Texas climate efficiently.